Hello creepy people and welcome back to my channel. So it feels like just yesterday we already did one of these unboxings and lo and behold we have another one that arrived at my doorstep, and that of course is another Creepy Crate unboxing. So if you guys do not know what Creepy Crate is, it is a horror subscription service where every other month you get a box that is curated with a bunch of creepy things. Sometimes you get cute little things, sometimes you get larger things like a t-shirt, but the really cool thing about Creepy Crate is that with every single one you get a brand new book. So if you are someone out there who is quite the little bookworm, then Creepy Crate may be an option for you. So I am basically just going to unbox this little tiny box right here. Again, this one kind of looks like the other one that we just got for the June-July box. That one was also on the smaller side, so this one looks to be on the smaller side as well. Hopefully we get some good stuff in here. If you guys are interested in checking out Creepy Crate for yourself, I will have a link down in the description box. You guys can easily click on it, check it out, see if it is something that is right for you. But without further ado, let's get to opening this box. Now I have no idea what month this is for. Oh shit. There is absolutely no tape or anything that I have to cut through. It's literally just opened. So hopefully no postal worker got sticky fingers and decided to look in here. But let's go ahead and open it and find out. Okay, so the first thing that we have in here is the August-September Creepy Crate. So that is what this box is for. And we get a little paper that tells us everything that is in the box. But I don't want to read that just yet because I, in fact, want to be surprised. On the very, very top, we have all of the little black worms right here, which basically hides everything and keeps it nice and concealed. So the first thing that I'm going to grab looks to be the book for this month. And this one is The Patient by Jasper DeWitt. Here is what this one looks like right here. Really, really cool cover. I actually really like the size of this. It's very, very small and compact, the way this book feels in my hands. I don't know. Is anyone else like that when you hold something and you're like, wow, I like the way this feels in my hands? So if you guys remember from the last Creepy Crate that we got the book The Hollow Ones, and I am still very in the beginning of it because that book to me is extremely hard to read, and I'm someone who is like challenged when it comes to reading books. I don't really like to read books all that much, but the last few that we've gotten in Creepy Crate have been really good, and the Hollow Ones really, really appealed to me. So I'm reading it now and I'm having a really hard time with it because I'm noticing that it jumps around a lot and I'm having a really hard time trying to follow it. Hopefully it gets better, but I'm just like, okay, like now we're in 1582, okay, now we're in 1671, like, and now, oh, now we're back in the present day. Like, I'm just like, it's fucking with my mind. So maybe I'll take a break from that and read this one. This one looks really, really good. Oh, okay, so it says right on the inside, so let's go ahead and give that a little read. In a series of online posts, Parker H., a young psychiatrist, chronicles the harrowing account of his time working at a dreary mental hospital in New England. Through his internet message board, Parker hopes to explain his effort to cure one bewildering patient. We learn, as Parker did on his first day, of the facility's most difficult and profoundly dangerous case. A 41-year-old man originally admitted to the hospital at age 6 with night terrors. This patient has no known diagnosis and his symptoms have evolved over time in unusual ways. The only reliable factor, every person who has encountered him has been driven to madness or suicide. Desperate and fearful, the hospital medical director keeps the patient confined indefinitely, allowing only minimal contact with staff for their own safety. Parker, confident in his skills, is convinced he will be the one to cure what others cannot by figuring out on what ails the suffering man. But when events spiral out of his controls, Parker finds himself face to face with a possibility beyond his wildest imagining. So this actually sounds really fucking good. Like, this sounds like it would be a really good movie. It sounds like a thriller, and we all know how I like thrillers. So this, I'm actually really, really excited about this book. Really, really good. I might actually, like, put the Hollow Ones away for a little while and start reading this one. Alright, the next thing that we have in here, oh my gosh, is this a little, like, koozie? Okay, Okay, so the next thing we got is this little guy right here, and it looks to be like a beer koozie, jersey, t-shirt looking thing here, and on the front of it, it says the Velisca Slayers. I'm not really sure, it's not really ringing a bell to me, but it looks like we have a little hatchet right here with the 2 making the number 12. Interesting, I can't wait to read more about this on the little paper, because I want to know, like, is this from a movie? Is it from a show? Is it for beer bottles? Is it for wine? I don't know. I gotta read to find out, so we'll find out at the end. Alright, the next little thing in here. Oh, this is cool. Oh my gosh, this is cool. So the next thing that we got in here is a Twisted Tears, a horror movie coloring book. Shut the front door. Like right now, lock that shit, deadbolt that shit, put the chain on it. This is so freaking cool. Oh my god, you guys, look at the back. Look at the back. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so I am a huge fan of coloring. I color all the freaking time when I have downtime. It helps me feel calm, it helps me zone out, it helps me forget about things that are going on that I don't want to think about. And the fact that they supplied this cute little horror movie coloring book, and it looks like it has little games in here as well. So can you piece together the movie titles using the clues below? So we have a Hall, 0, and a wiener dog, so Halloween. That's really cool. And then looks like we have Texas Chainsaw Massacre over here. This one's super cool. It says find Jack Torrance's script. So for those of you who maybe have seen The Shining or not, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So we have to try to find that in here, which is super cool. Oh my gosh, yes! We have the little do you want to play a game of tic-tac-toe with Jigsaw right here. We have Pennywise, the original Pennywise. We have a little, what the heck are these things called where you have to try to get to the middle or something? I can't remember, but it's called Escape the Labyrinth. It looks like we have some sort of zombie movie over here. We have Annabelle, we have Carrie, what else? We have Freddy Krueger. Let's see, what's this one? Okay. Don't go to sleep before you spot all 10 differences between these pictures. So this one's going to be super fun. What a fun little book. Oh my gosh, this is a blast. Yes! I really wanted to get the Michael Myers one, so we have that one we can color. Oh, seriously, you guys, this is awesome. I cannot wait to have fun with this. What a cool idea. Can they, like, put one of those in every box? That would be pretty bomb. Alright, the next thing we have in here. Oh my gosh, this is so funny. I actually have a literal funny story about something like this right now. So this next thing right here looks to be a little cooling pad, and on the front of it, it says, I'm ravenous for a cold treat. And it's literally like this little ice pack that you throw in the freezer. So my whole funny story about something like this last night, I actually need one of these, but I get migraines quite a bit, and a lot of people like to use warm compresses on their head, which I can get down with. Sometimes I will use a warm compress, but a lot of the times I will use an ice pack of some sort. Well, last night I had a migraine attack. It was pretty gnarly, and I got one of like a thing of frozen something, I don't even know, and I fell asleep with it on the side of my face last night, right? And I woke up and I had this huge red mark right here from where, like, I don't know if it was like freezer burn or something. So yeah, this is actually really gonna come in handy because I get migraines quite a bit, and it's also like very relaxing because I don't know if you guys can see that, but I can literally move all the little balls around. How fun. This is so cool. And on the front of it, I feel like I recognize this dude right here. Yeah, I feel like I recognize him. I don't know if he's from a movie or a famous serial killer. I'm not really sure. But yeah, I'm actually really excited about this. I really do need a good one of these, and it's actually useful because this is going to be useful for my life. That's what I really like about Creepy Crate is it's not just a bunch of shit you're going to get and just like throw away in a closet somewhere. Like, you're actually going to use half this stuff. So I'm really excited about the ice pack, not even going to lie. Ooh, we got a t-shirt. Okay, I love when we get t-shirts. So this one looks like another white t-shirt. Oh yes, oh my god. This is awesome. I really like this shirt. And it says, I'd rather be watching true crime. Oh my gosh, look how awesome that is. And that is so true. I am definitely someone who likes to have a nice relaxing night at home with a glass of wine, watching Forensic Files or something fucked up like that, you know? So this shirt is definitely fitting for me. I love this so much. Okay guys, and I'm pretty sure that was everything for the August-September Creepy Crate box. Now it is time to read and look and see what everything is from. Okay, so I was right. This is a serial killer on the front of this little ice pack here. This is Alfred Packer, and it says, Alfred Packer is here to chill your blood. Whether that's because you're using this ice pack to keep your picnic drinks cool, or because you're thinking about Packer's cannibalistic crimes, it's up to you. So I guess he was a serial killer at some point. I knew he looked familiar, but I couldn't remember his name. Like I said, good with faces, bad with names. So I'm really excited about that. And then the little koozie right here, it says, show off your historical true crime obsessions with this sepia koozie inspired by the notorious Iowa murder mystery of 1912. Oh, I totally didn't even know that. Also, another thing I forgot to mention in the beginning is that every Creepy Crate unboxing comes with an ebook download. So the ebook download for this month is The Incident at Big Sky. And about this book is it says, this Edgar Award finalist tells the thrilling true story of Carrie Swinson's abduction and liberation. Written by Sheriff Johnny France, who faced down Swinson's abductors in the woods. This tale will remind you of the many, many terrors of the outdoors. So that actually sounds really good. I'm pretty sure all of the ebooks get emailed to you through your email where you sign up with Creepy Crate. So I actually might check that one out. That one sounds really, really cool. And of course, we got the T-shirt. We have the coloring book, which I really, really like. And we have the book. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that is everything that we got for this Creepy Crate. Oh my gosh, you guys. This one, like, seriously, 2 thumbs up for me. I am definitely going to be using this probably tonight because every time I film with all of these, like, big lights around me, I always get really bad headaches. Alright guys, and that is everything that we got for the August-September Creepy Crate unboxing. You guys will have to let me know down in the comments which product you thought was the coolest out of this box. Also, let me know down in the comment if you yourself are a Creepy Crate subscriber as well. If you guys enjoyed this video and you enjoy creepy things just like myself, make sure you go down and give this video a huge thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if you are new to my channel and you're just lurking around and this is the first video of mine that you are seeing, make sure you go down and hit that red subscribe button. I do upload every 3 to 4 days on my channel. But as for the rest of you, I love you guys so, so much. But until then, I will see you very soon in my next video. I love you guys. Bye!